Okay, so I took 2 pieces of scrap wood and used some wood glue here to glue them together in a corner brace. Okay, so now this here is my piece of wood for the flower press. So I'm going to flip this over like this. Okay. And then I'm going to put some glue. I made sure this is pretty square. This one. So first thing you want to do is clamp your wood together. I made a template to make my holes for my flower press. Okay, so you saw I made the template, glued that together, had the hole, and then I drew the circles. All right, now I got extra heavy duty ones, big chunky ones. I had bought a flower press and the bolts were so flimsy that I didn't like. So, okay, so I have a washer, the bolt, another washer. Then we're going to put on another bolt here, just like this one. Another washer, another bolt. Okay, so that way everything stays in place, and when you go to pick it up, things aren't falling all over the place and the things aren't sliding out, because that'll make you crazy with them sliding out all the time. All right, so now that that's in there, you put in all your plants. Okay, put in all your plants, put your top on, and then wing nuts. Got these big old mammer jammers here, and then you put your wing nuts, get them all tightened down, and there you go. You have a flower press. So I hope that helps. I need to have a lot of flower presses because I have a lot of flowers. I'm always running out of room. So there you go. I hope that helps. And have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.